Hey, Rick's Barber here. I'd like to show you how I get my XP out of my Honda Fit using a ramp. And I just came back from a ride. You can see I've got this strap here that's tethered to the front of the bike. I have a bungee here to the back, so it's nice and secure. And then the ramp is right there, and it goes all the way from the tail gate all the way up to, it's on the armrest of the passenger side door. Take out the ramp. You can see on the back of the ramp I've got a D-ring here and a carbiner, and that connects to the latch so that the ramp can't slide off. That's nice and stable. I'll show you how easy it is to get the bike out. So the front handlebar is strapped to the body of the bike, and that keeps the wheel pretty close to straight, plus it avoids the pedal from locking into the handlebars. It's a common problem. So I can roll it forward and back, and I don't have any binding.